Waimea Canyon.
Waimea Canyon, right there.
Hawaii.
Oh man, it's beautiful. Wow, we're on top of the world.
Ito yung inaano nila.
Ha?
Helicopter.
Helicopter mo lang yan eh. Dito lang pwede mo lang makita. Grabe yung presyo ng helicopter eh. Parang $400 eh.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Let's head back upstairs. Now right here. Oh, okay.
Pag nalaglag yung phone mo dyan bro, dadamputin mo doon. Dadamputin mo sa baba.
Dapat mayroon yung mga tao din siguro.